back to the class. So in this class now we are solving another question on implicity function. So now let's see how to solve this question. Solution. Now let's differentiate x first. We are having differentiating x, we are having 2 differentiate x, we have 2xy. Don't put the y in the x. Now let's differentiate y plus differentiating y, we have in x squared. We have the y over the x because we are looking for the y, the x, plus, let's differentiate x. Now we have y squared, and let's differentiate y. Now we now have 2yx, the y, about the x. Differentiate x, we have 4, and differentiate constant 1, we have 0. So now we collect the one of the y, the x. So we have x and transfer the other to the rest to the other side. We have 2x, x power 2, the y over what? The x, plus 2yx, the y over what? The x. Now, the rest to the other side. We have 4, move to the other side, we have minus 4. Y plus y squared to the other side, we have minus y squared. And then plus 2xy to the other side, we have minus 2xy. So then the next thing is for you to factorize the common thing here out, which is the y, the x. So you factorize that, we have the y over the x out into bracket. We have x squared plus 2yx, which is equal to minus 4 minus y squared minus 2xy. So the next thing is to divide through with x squared plus 2 level side with x squared plus 2yx. So we have the y, the x, bracket x squared plus 2yx over x squared plus 2y, which is equal to minus 4 minus y squared minus 2xy over y squared plus 2yx. So this will cut this. I have my y over the x equals to minus 4 minus y squared minus 2xy over what? X squared plus 2yx. So that is the derivative of the implicity functions of x squared y plus y squared x plus 4 x equals to 1. So thanks for watching this video. In the next class we'll be solving another questions on implicity function. See you